Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open and close the recovery mode on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to open the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our device so we can press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. There we go. And of course we need to slide it towards the power off option. Once the device is off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together for a couple of seconds until you see the OnePlus logo. So press and hold both buttons, keep holding it, and now we can release both buttons. Now let's wait for the screen to turn on to the recovery mode. And this is how it looks like. So we will see two Asian languages and English. So of course you can, for instance, select English in order to open the recovery mode in English. And then you have three options. You can format data, you can reboot the device, and you can power it off. So if you want to exit the recovery mode, then you can, for instance, select reboot device and then confirm by pressing OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.